We are here at 3037 South Sussex Avenue performing an attempted repair on this shingle right here, labeled shingle 1. Above shingle 1, we have 2 shingles above that, one labeled shingle 2 and the other one labeled shingle 3. The reason those are labeled also is because those shingles must be removed in order for us to remove this shingle, labeled shingle 1. Again, we are on the front slope of the house. We will now begin the attempted repair. We're going to start at the edge of the shingle and work our way over here to the end. I'm trying to begin to unseal this shingle right here. Going as gentle as I can, but as you can see, we have a tear, major tear actually, right here on the shingle. So let's keep working our way down. As you can see, we have another tear in the shingle right there. Let's keep working our way down the shingle. As you can see, I'm not even putting any pressure in this. Shingle is easily tearing. Another tear right there. As we can see, another tear in the shingle right here. Let's keep working our way down. And another tear we have in this shingle. And we have another tear. So just on shingle 1 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tears just on shingle 1 alone. We're gonna go ahead and try to move onto shingle 2 and begin and right off the bat, we have another tear. And as you can see, we have another tear in shingle 1 and shingle 2, I'm sorry. Another tear. You can see there's lots of granulate loss down here. Let's keep working our way down. As you can see, we have another tear right there. In the process of trying to unseal shingle 2. And another tear. We're gonna end the attempted repair right here. This roof is non-repairable. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tears, 11 points of failure on this attempted repair, just trying to remove 2 shingles. This attempted repair has failed. We will no longer proceed.